Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Cleanup.Pictures. So what is Cleanup.Pictures? It is a photo editing system where you can get rid of like certain objects in a photo. Remove any unwanted object, defect, people or text from your picture in seconds. So yeah, it's pretty simple, it's very easy to use, and it's also free. But if you want to pay for the premium version, you can pay for that. You can go to pricing, and there is a free, there's a pro, and click drop pro. Unlimited images, resolution, unlimited images, unlimited resolution, high quality refiner. So that's like, there is benefits from getting the pro, and the click drop pro, there is more benefits here. Cleanup pro, image upscaler pro, background removal pro, web editor pro, click drop ISO pro, so you can get it on the phone, click drop Android pro, and you can get it on your Android phone. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the free version, and if you decide you want to upgrade, you can do that. So you just want to go here. I've already got photos, so depending on what photo you're going to use, so if you want to get rid of flowers in a photo, or you want to get rid of people in a photo, you just want to go ahead and drag it here. And I'm going to continue with the standard edition. And yeah, so this is what it is. You can change here the brush size, and that makes it bigger if you drag it this way, and it makes it smaller if you drag it that way. And you can zoom in and zoom out. You could also use your mouse wheel to scroll in, which is what I do. I feel like that's easier. So I'm going to try to remove these two photos, and let's see if I can do it. So I want to go in. I'm going to use the brush, make it small maybe. You want to do this pretty accurate. So you want to drag it around the corner here and go bang. And just make it nice and smooth. And bang, you just drop it. And let's see, it gets rid of it. Look at that. Instantly gets rid of that flower. So you can see how powerful this tool is. It's pretty easy to use. I'm going to try to get rid of this red one here. Like probably here maybe, or this one here. So the more accurate you draw it, the better the photo comes out, I feel. There we go. And that one worked pretty good. It didn't work as good, but you could probably just go over it, just to make sure it gets rid of it, the red. So that worked better now. Obviously, like you can kind of see when you zoomed in, you can kind of see that it like made it a little bit blurry. But when you zoom out, you can't really see it, which is a very good tool for free, especially if you just want to remove something real quick. Let's try one more. Let's try this one right here, this big bright red one. You just want to draw it out. You just got to change your tool size until it's comfortable for you to draw the lines. See what happens here. See, even though that is a hard photo to get rid of because the background, it's still done a pretty good job. As you can see, you wouldn't even notice if you just zoom back here. It looks pretty real to me. So I'm going to try another one. Start new, drag this. So I'm going to get rid of some of these flowers in the background. So let's get rid of these. See, this one might be a bit harder because it's blurrier. It still worked, kinda. Let's try this one here because it's not blurry. This one probably won't work, but let's give it a shot. Depending on like the task, like if it's a really hard photo to get rid of, I would say it wouldn't be good, this tool. But if you're just trying to get rid of like little things, it'd be a perfect free tool. So let's try to get this one. So this one's going to be a bit harder. Let's see what happens. So yeah, this one's taking long, but yeah, let's try it. Let's see what happens. I probably could have made the brush a bit thicker, but it's very tedious, these little flowers. And just go like this. And let's see what happens. So yeah, that one didn't work well. So to conclude this video, I would say if you're going to use this tool, I would suggest to use photos that have small objects you wanted to remove. But if you have big objects, don't worry about it. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.